Hello friends! We're here at Perlas ng Silang. Perlas ng Silang ba? Kakain po kami dito at mamamasyal. Pero ang weather
is rainy.
Raining. Yes, raining ang weather. Ayan na, kaso yun daw kasing restaurant nila is full or ano na, hindi pa sila pwedeng mag-serve sa iba kasi marami pang kumakain. So, ayan. Wait tayo, wait. Masarap daw dito yung laksa. So, we'll try.
Me and Daddy's favorite because we're the only ones in the family who like spicy food.
Okay, we'll try. We'll wait. Okay, we'll wait. Entrance of Perlas ng Silang. Here, yes. Di kami pwedeng kumain kasi ang dami nilang princess. Hindi tayo makakain. Oh no. Ayun na to. Merong ano doon oh. Ayun. Ayun, nakikita mo naka-side. Nakikita mo yung naka-side.
Picture tayo na.
Ayun oh. Halika, punta tayo doon.
Lalakad?
Yeah. Yan. Magpipicture ka. Oh, come on. Sige na, picturean mo kung saan.
Sabang yung sinabi na lang, Lebron.
Oh. Ayan, ang cute. Oh, see? Ayan yung mga. Oh.
Nababasa yung ano mo, lady.
Tapos ngayon,
register siya as a face.
ngayon, umaambon. Kaya eto kami.
Ito, baby, punta ka doon, oh. Dali, ano ba ito?
Oh, sige na, anak. Go, picturean ka ni Daddy.
Oh, tapos picture mo rin kami dito.
Saka baby sa side para makita yung face. Yan.
Yan. Later. Pagpabalik. Okay. Hello. Nandito po kami sa... Ayun o, ang ganda rin o. Then, ayun, meron dong ano.
Go to that place.
Yeah. Oh, di ba ang ganda-ganda oh, parang Netherland. Yan, ang dami. Baby, come on. You take a picture. Sorry. Here, come on. May papakita ako sa'yo dito.
So clear and
Yeah, wow! good.
Yeah. You want me to send them?
Okay. Later, when we upload this vlog.
Yes.
Yeah. Look at this. See? Look at this.
So creepy but so cool at the same
Yeah.
time. Look at the
Wow.
hair. It has hair.
Ayan. Ito po yung perlas ng Silang. Here at Silang, Cavite. Look at the
They're so
flowers.
luscious.
Mm.
The flowers we ever owned like died. Some of them.
Ayan, kung makikita nyo po, meron pa rin mga ginagawa. So it means marami pang development na mangyayari dito sa Perlas ng Silang. Ganda-ganda. Ayan. Come on, baby, let's go.
I didn't know it was that big.
Here, here. Ay, sige, sige. Thank you. Oops.